Timothy. How are you? Where, oh, where, oh, where is Santa? Where, oh, where, oh, where is Santa? Where, oh, where, oh, where is Santa? Way down yonder in the North Pole. Hello, Santa, how are you? Hello, Santa, how are you? Hello, Santa, how are you? From way down winter in the North Pole. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 Happy Holidays. From way down yonder in the North Pole. Where, oh, where is Mrs. Claus? Where, oh, where is Mrs. Claus? Where, oh, where is Mrs. Claus? Way down yonder in the North Pole. Here I am, my dear, here. Here I am, my dear, here. Here I am, my dear, here. From way down yonder in the North Pole. Hello, Mrs. Claus. Fix your glasses. Hello, everyone. How are you? Hello, Santa dear. How are you? Hello, Vicky dear. How are you? From way down yonder in the North Pole. I'm fine, thank you, Mrs. Claus. You help me? Where, oh, where is Isla? Where, oh, where is Isla? Where, oh, where is Isla? Way down yonder in her own home. Hi, Isla. Where, oh, where is Adam? Where, oh, where is Adam? Where, oh, where is Adam? Well, he's way down yonder in his own home. Very nice. Where, oh, where is Layla? Where, oh, where is Layla? Where, oh, where is Layla? She's way down yonder in her own home. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, well, where is Sarah? Where, oh, where is Sarah? Where, oh, where is Sarah? Way down yonder in her own home. Where, oh, where is Leon? Where, oh, where is Leon? Where, oh, where is Leon? She's way down yonder in her own home. Hi, Leon. Where, oh, where is Isra? Where, oh, where is Isra? Where, oh, where is Isra? Isra. She's way down yonder in her own home. Where, oh, where is Zainab? Zaina. Where, oh, where is Zaina? Where, oh, where is Zaina? She's way down yonder in her own home. Where, oh, where is Iyad? Where, oh, where is Iyad? Where, oh, where is Iyad? He's way down yonder in his own home. Where, oh, where is Vicky? Where, oh, where is Vicky? Where, oh, where is Vicky? Vicky's right here in her own home. Hello, everybody. Mr. Santa Claus and Mrs. Santa Claus. How do you do? And then Vicky's going to show everybody how to make the little candle that was on the tree. So first of all, you need some paper. Doesn't matter what color. I'm using white for a white candle, but you can use 2 different colors and make it 2-tone. So you need to cut your paper into some strips. Thin strips or big strips, it's up to you how big you want your candle. And then you need some yellow and orange paper, little squares like this for the flame. And you need some scissors, Mummy's and Daddy's help, and you need some glue. And that's it. So let's get started. Let's make our own candles with this little light of mine. I'm going to bring you down. Have your very own little light. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine again on the Christmas tree. Put it here. Oh, in here on the Christmas tree. Oh, he doesn't want to stand up. There. This little light of mine. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that. Keep your light shining. Keep your lantern shining. We'll see you again. Bye.